Hello, sweet friends. I'm coming on really quick to just share one last Christmas in July set of tags. These were actually made last night, July 31st, and today is August 1st. It is the end of Christmas in July, but it isn't the end of Christmas tag makes for 2021. I will be making additional Christmas tags and cards all the way up through Thanksgiving. And then I always start making my family Christmas cards after that. But I will be sharing more Christmas tags. A couple people were asking if it was over and I wasn't going to be sharing anymore between now and Christmas, and I hope to share more. So my schedule always changes once school starts up again and everything, you know, we kind of get in school mode around here, and that changes things a bit. So, but I will be sharing more. So I wanted to mention that before I forgot, because I have been getting some questions. And then just really quick, I'm going to show you the products I used. I used this cute little gingerbread die. This one is called Gingerbread number 3 from Sizzix. You can see the number on there. Okay, I used this gingerbread die, and this is a red gingerbread die from Sizzix called Gingerbread Man. This was purchased on eBay. It is a retired die, and I believe both of these gingerbread men are retired dies, just so you know. You'll have to look for them on resale sites or pick a gingerbread man die that is available right now, okay? And then this is a old Sizzix die also. It is called Doll Dresses, and this is one that I got really inexpensively. I think I actually ordered something and this came with it. I'm trying to remember, or I saw this and decided I wanted it. I think I got it for like $5 or $4 or something. But I used these dresses and this skirt, and I did cut them down to fit the gingerbread. So similar to what I did with the Easter tags I made in the spring. So let me show you what I did. I created these little gingerbread couples. It's a boy and a girl, and the boys have a Santa hat on them. And this is a sticker from Hobby Lobby. This sticker does come with a little round sticker on it, which was actually not working for me, so I cut it off, and then I just used a red Copic marker to try and disguise where the adhesive was. So I just wanted to let you know that if you do use this particular sticker for this particular die cut, you might have to cut off that tab in the back or mount this on a tag backer and then let the sticker be part of what adheres it to your tag. Okay, so I just wanted to mention that I happen to be making these as little standalone tags because the kids just love these when we give these out at church. They love to play with them on Christmas Eve, at Christmas Eve Mass and Christmas Day. So anyway, I made a bunch of little boys and little girls. They all say Christmas Witches, which is the LOTV Digi stamp set from Etsy. Okay, and I did have to shrink these down to fit them on the smaller tags. Okay, so that's what all of these are. And then I did one where I used the skirt and the top, and I did cut it down to kind of fit. I think if I did it again, I would cut it slightly differently, but I was just playing around. Like I said, I always play to see what I can come up with. And this was just some scraps of music paper that I had from these trees, Christmas trees that I'm making right now. So on some of these, I added a little gingerbread cookie, and this tiny die is a Cottage Cuts die, and it comes in a set. It's a baking set where you have these little cookies. So he's holding not only a candy cane, but a gingerbread cookie. He's got a really big sweet tooth. And then, so these are all these little couples. I made a bunch of those. They're all pretty much the same. So I'll just show those to you. And then on one of them, I did add a different tag that says, this one says, Be Merry and Bright, and this is from a different Lily of the Valley DigiShop tag set. Okay, and the nice thing about digital tags is you can resize them all. Then I made some ginger couples, boys and girls, and on this one I added a Santa hat, and there are lots of Santa hat dies on the market. Impression Obsession has a beautiful one, and I think that might be which this one is, I'm not sure. And then this one I tied a scarf on. This one she's got a little a bow at her front made with just some of this jute twine or whatever. I think this is Fun Snapper's Journey from Spellbinders. And then I just added a little bow cabochon. They each have a candy cane, and one says Cozy and Warm and one says Christmas Wishes from the LOTV Digitags, okay? So I just made a bunch of these. I made more girls than boys this time, and you can see I just used different tags on all of them. This one says Be Merry and Bright, which is really sweet. There's a couple of those. This one says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And this one says, whoops, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. So they're all pretty much the same. I will take a couple pictures and post some of them to Instagram. Here's what the guy one looks like without the hat, and I really do think it looks cute with the Santa hat and the scarf. So you could do them all different ways, as you know. So just a little more gingerbread information, inspiration as we finish up Christmas in July. I want to thank everybody that has posted projects under the Christmas Tag Makes 2021 hashtag, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. It's been a wonderful, wonderful month of July, and I just hope that we all keep the Christmas inspiration going. I think Christmas should be celebrated all year because it's a season of love. All right, everybody, have a good rest of your Sunday evening, and I will be back with you next week. Bye now.